These three Malaysia technology stocks are testing the key levels with a few interesting ongoing changes that could potentially trigger some setup. So let's get started and find out the details and see how we can actually potentially benefit from the danger zone. So the first stock is Franken. So at first glance, definitely this is a previous reaccumulation. We have seen the acceleration to the upside, breaking out from the previous accumulation range, followed by a pullback and subsequently entering into the marking up phase. However, we definitely see some overbought of the price action running to the channel overbought with the increasing of the volume and that corresponding to the earning announcement as well. And supply has come in at these few points with a rejection tail, subsequently initiated the change of character, which is essentially the largest down wave if you compare it to the past few down wave. So essentially just stop the previous uptrend into a trading range. So far, the price has just bouncing up and down within the trading range, but the last movement down right after this sort of upthrust action and seems like very bearish because it just broke down the previous swing low support level and actually just entering into the previous resistance now turn the support level, so which is another place for the price to stop or try to bounce back up a bit. So there is something happening in the past 5 or 6 trading days. So let me zoom in and show you. So the first is this bullish bar with the spike of the volume. So this is the first bullish bar that we have ever seen from this downtrend. So suggesting that there is some aggressive buying right at this level. So in the previous bar, we also see some demand tail come in, and that actually happened at the previous swing low support level. However, at the moment, the supply level is still relatively high. So we do see another attempt to push down the price with the increasing of the supply. However, do note that there is shortening of trust for this past few trading days. So if we just take this the progress to the downside, we do see that definitely the progress to the downside is getting shorter. So suggesting that there is some sort of the demand come in to stopping the price, and also probably the selling force has been exhausted as well. So right now, the bull actually has a chance to fight back and initiate a strong rally up. In order for the bullish scenario to become valid, the first level you need to overcome is definitely somewhere around 2.88, about 2.9. So there is a high chance that it could initiate some kind of the rally up and attempt to break the support level at about 2.9. So if you can just successfully have a breakout and pulling back, so that could signal a change of the previous down move and into probably a uptrend, at least for now. But still, that could be in this large trading range as well. So at least for now on, there's a potential chance for a reversal happening right at this support level at about 2.5 or 2.7. So if you can just successfully break out the resistance level at about 2.9, that could become a nice long entry with anticipation of the price to test the previous resistance level at about 3.5. So depending on your strategy, you can probably wait for this kind of the breakout for the confirmation, or there is some sort of the reversal for in a smaller time frame. Then that could become another nice long entry near the 2.6 or 2.5. Okay, so this is Franken. Just watch out how the price actually develop. So next stock is Inari. Again, Inari is sort of having a similar structure with Franken. However, it's slightly stronger than Franken because at the moment it did not really break the March low. In fact, it's sort of still testing the low at the moment for the past 6 or 7 trading days. So previously there is still this resistance. Now the become the support level at about 2.75. So the worst case is just a breakdown and going to test the next support level at about 2.65. But currently there is something happening. So apart from the testing of the previous swing low support level, we do see that there is increasing of the volume right here. So during this downtrend, we see that some supply has been picking up, but definitely there is some sort of the stopping action right here. So at the moment, I think bull has a chance to fight back. As you can see, there is a demand tail right here. Probably if we want to get a bullish scenario to become valid, then the first level you need to break is somewhere around 3.1. So once you can just break out of this level, followed by a successful backing out action, then this could potentially become a nice long entry with anticipation of a higher target, probably around 3.5 or 3.6. So definitely watch out for INARI. There's a potential reversal happening right here. So the last stock is DNO. Okay, so DNO probably is the strongest among these three stocks. So first of all, you can see that there's a very strong uptrend and into the acceleration to the upside, sort of forming the buying climax, and then the largest down wave, change of character, stopping the action from stopping the previous uptrend from going up into the trading range. So far is kind of tested the axis line. So you can see that this is the middle line here, where previously is the resistance breakout, become a support level. Now it's still the support level. And another level we can rely on is the channel support level. So you can see that this is channel, and I draw in the dotted line. So again, this is the demand line from the channel. So far, as the price approaching the level about 4, we definitely see a spike of the volume, suggesting both increasing of supply and demand. So at the moment, this is very significant. So this is the change of behavior. So the largest up bar that we have seen from this downtrend. So at the moment, despite that the supply is still relatively high, we did not really see a lower low form. Instead, there is a higher low form here. So far, I think the price is developing to the bullish side, and we definitely need to see how it can actually develop. And if you pay a close attention here, the price spread between the support and the resistance level is somewhere around from 3.8 to about 4.4. So there's probably some chance for intraday trading because it's somewhere around 10 to 15% easily. However, if you want to do a proper swing trade, then definitely watch out for some form of the reversal at about 4, or even you need to see a confirmed breakout above 4.4. So this is the first resistance level that DNO need to overcome. So if you can just overcome this level, followed by a test or backup action, successful backing up, then this kind of the reversal or the breakout could be a nice long entry with anticipation of at least testing back the previous swing high level at about 5. So that is a DNO, and I just suspect that there is some sort of the reversal happening similar to FRONTKEN and also INARI. But do watch out that there is a earning coming out. So let's just watch how the price could develop from here on. Alright, so hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to learn more, definitely check out the video that's shown on the screen right now, and also do join my newly formed Telegram group for the ad hoc market update, or just join my email for the weekly exclusive update as well. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you soon.